how does the insurance process work? I'm Cody, CEO of Reimagine Roofing, and I want to do a quick breakdown of what the insurance process is and how it works. The best analogy I can give is a lot like a court case. I'm going to be your defense attorney. The insurance agent's going to be the prosecutor. The roof is the crime scene. The storm damage is the evidence. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a claim. They're going to send out their adjuster. Very, very important that we are on site as well at the same time so we can both document the damage. And we will negotiate just like a court case. They're going to ask, hey, do you want to take a settlement? We're going to say no because the evidence is clear that we're not guilty or that the roof is guilty of having storm damage. So based on what we see, we're going to advise you on how to proceed. We're going to work with the insurance company so we can return your home to pre-storm conditions. Most importantly, at no cost to you outside of your deductible. If any roofer is willing to waive your deductible, please be super cautious. That is insurance fraud. If they're willing to commit a felony just to earn some business, what other corners are they willing to cut?